Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create an Amazon Prime Video account. This will give you access to thousands of movies, TV shows, and exclusive content that you can stream anytime. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to primevideo.com. Once the page loads, look towards the upper right panel of the screen. You'll see a button that says Join Prime. Go ahead and click on it. This will take you to the account creation page where you can start setting up your new Amazon Prime Video account. On the next screen, you'll see an option to create your Amazon account. Click on that button to proceed. Now you'll need to enter some basic information to set up your account. Start by typing in your first and last name in the provided fields. This helps Amazon personalize your experience and keep your account secure. Next, you'll be asked to enter your email address. This email will be your primary way of logging into your account and receiving important notifications. However, if you'd prefer to use your mobile number instead, simply click on the link that says Use your mobile number instead. Either option works perfectly fine, so choose whichever you're most comfortable with. After entering your email or mobile number, you'll need to create a password for your account. Make sure to choose something strong and secure that you'll remember. Once you've entered your password, click on Create Your Amazon Account to move forward. To protect your account from bots and unauthorized access, Amazon will ask you to solve a quick puzzle. Click on Start Puzzle and follow the on-screen instructions to complete it. This is just a simple security measure that takes only a few seconds. Once you've solved the puzzle, Amazon will send a verification code to the email address you provided earlier. Open your email inbox, find the message from Amazon, and copy the verification code. Head back to the Amazon page and enter this security code in the field provided. Then click Verify. This confirms that the email address belongs to you and helps keep your account secure. Next, you'll need to add your mobile number. Click on the drop-down menu below Country to select your country, then enter your mobile number in the field. Click Add Mobile Number when you're done. Amazon Prime will send you a one-time OTP password to this number. When you receive it, enter the OTP in the field and click Create Your Amazon Account. This adds an extra layer of security to your account. Now you may be prompted to add a payment method. This step is necessary to complete your Prime membership setup. Type in your cardholder name, card number, expiry date, and CVV in the fields provided. Once you've entered all the information correctly, click Add Your Card. Your payment details will be securely stored, and you'll be ready to start enjoying Amazon Prime Video. And there you have it. You've successfully created your Amazon Prime Video account and can now start streaming your favorite shows and movies. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.